Well, good afternoon here on Monday. This is the 11th of February. Markets are closing as we speak, and we're going to give you the latest trades as we're closing. The two pieces of news today, it seemed to be, that put downward pressure on agricultural markets. Cotton down quite a bit, grains down a good bit. Seemed to be some nervousness over the trade agreement, some lack of progress there, and also the possibility that we could shut the government down again. And those two things seem to be too much for the markets. I think also speculators were selling cotton. That helped push it down a little extra. Looking at the market, and we'll just look at the last trades here as we enter into the final minute. We've got cotton in May down 196 at 71.73 with a low of 71.50, a high of 73.93. We have March soybeans at 905 and a half, down 9, a high of 918 and 3/4 and a low of 903 and a half. March corn down a penny and a quarter at 372 and 3/4, a high of 375, a low of 371 and 3/4. The wheat market has actually firmed up. It's up about a quarter of a cent at 517 and a half, a high of 518 and a quarter, a low of 512. Crude oil is down 24 cents a barrel. Dollar up 44, gold down $7 an ounce, silver down 13 cents an ounce. And looking over at the Dow Jones, it has not done too much today, down 50. Matter of fact, the markets have been fairly calm in the outside markets like crude oil and the dollar and metals, and fairly calm in the stock market. They seem to be isolated to agricultural markets. Now, testing 70 cents like we have today in March, we got to 70.30 at one point, closing here at 70.62. Another test of that tomorrow and an inability to break down through that level will surely lead to some buying and possibly a move back up. We still seem to be trapped in a sideways market. We're just exploring the low end of sideways. So that's it. Have a good evening. We will talk to you first thing in the morning.